Hi, it's Monday the 11th, and I just want to show you where the hell we're at. These are the doors that will be going on the Bestioni number 8, the Beast of Turin, and John Maddox just delivered me over the wing doors that's going to be on it, and I am making the patterns for the aluminum inserts. That's what I'm doing right now. And I just wanted to show you what it is and the approximate sizes of these things. It's quite interesting. John is an absolutely fantastic woodworker, and I know my limits, and it's certainly not woodworking in this professional manner that he is in. And anyhow, he's made these up for me. I'm making the patterns. I now duplicate them in aluminum, and we'll keep you appraised. So anyway, just wanted you to see how it's going along.